Hi everyone, today I'm going to make balsamic pork medallions. It sounds fancy, but it's really easy to make. Everybody's going to love it. Putting it all in this Ziploc bag. Garlic salt. And black pepper. So I'm going to shake it up to combine it. The next thing I'll be doing is slicing the pork tenderloin. It's going to go in here, but I want this mixed first. Okay. That looks well combined. The first thing I want to do with the pork tenderloin is trim off the silver skin. That's this part right here, and there's some other parts of fat I want to cut off also. You don't need it, it doesn't add to the taste. So I'm going to take a few minutes and trim it. Now I'm particular about it, so I'm going to get off as much as possible. So we want our pieces to be about 1.5 inches. I made this a bigger piece because it's so narrow. So I have my bag of flour and seasonings, and I'm going to put my tenderloin in. And it's going to become like a shake and bake. You might remember that from years ago. Oh. No, the commercial. It's shake and bake, and I helped.
It was chicken for kids to put coating on the fried chicken.
Yes, that was it. You can still buy it. I've seen it in the stores. Okay, so now I'm going to shake it up, try and get all the pieces coated. Again, I'm doing half a recipe, so you would have 2 tenderloins. Okay, we're going to add oil to our pan. And we're going to add our pork tenderloins. Oh, there we go. Get ready. Okay, now my balsamic vinegar.
One of my favorite ingredients.
Mine too. Going to add my lemon zest. And capers. Now we like capers. We might add even more.
Yeah, you need more.
Okay. I want to whisk this up.
I could add that right now.
Okay. We want our sauce to thicken. All right, I'm going to pour the sauce over it. Now we added more capers because we really like capers, but you decide how much you want. Oh my God. All right. Just to be fancy, I'm going to put a little bit in the corner. All right, now we're going to try balsamic pork medallions.
Yum, one of my favorites. You've never made this for the channel, or?
No, I've made some other pork recipes. Pork
Jetta
tenderloin.
makes this for many years, and she's perfected it. And it's one of my favorites. Let me grab one.
We love pork.
Thank you. You're going to get yourself one?
Yeah.
We're going to split one.
Oh, we can split one.
I don't know how I feel about that. There you go. Need to get you a caper, though. There you go.
Thank you. Uh-oh, there's one down. Caper down. Oh, no. Okay.
Cooked perfectly.
Good.
Tender, I can already tell. Look at that beautiful piece of pork. Delicious.
Oh, my gosh.
Excellent.
Now,
The lemon, perfect.
yes, we added more lemon zest.
A little saltiness of the caper.
Mm-hmm. And of course, the
Balsamic.
garlic salt.
Balsamic vinegar.
Oh, yeah. So Mark was right. We needed more, and you'll find out. You want to adjust it.
Perfectly cooked bruschetta.
Wow. That's really great. I'm really happy with that.
Nice job.
So you would serve it with mashed potatoes or rice and a vegetable on the side, a salad, green beans, corn.
This was a quick recipe. How quick from beginning to end?
You could probably do it in 30 minutes.
Yeah, easily. You did it a little quicker because you prep everything.
Right, right. But when we record it, it takes longer. But otherwise,
30 minutes for beautiful pork tenderloin medallions.
very fancy.
Fancy looking dinner. You'll impress your guests. We have the kids coming over in a little while.
Adult kids.
Adult kids to go swimming in the pool, and
Yeah,
we're gonna
wait
have
till
this
they
with some
see
sides.
that.
What are we gonna make for sides?
I don't know. But like I suggested, mashed potatoes, corn, green beans, salad, anything like
Perfect.
that. So you need to make this. This is really good. We love it.
All right, peace out.
Yeah. Wait, so don't forget, new videos every Sunday.
Oh, yeah.
Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching. We appreciate it. And of course, the recipe's in the description box. And now we're gonna eat.
Thank you so much. Bye.
See you next time. Bye.
Very nice bruschetta.
The reason I hesitated was the thumbnail.
Oh, we're good.
You're
I'll take it.
okay.